Good morning here. The next multiplication technique, what you take in the case of speed max here is nothing but squares. Let us understand what is a square. Square in the sense we know it's nothing but multiplication of the same numbers. Yes, the multiplication of same numbers basically we call it as a square. Like for example, 3 square 3 into 3 9, 4 square 4 into 4 16, 5 square 5 into 5 25. Like that, if you go with somewhat bigger numbers like 25 square, easily I can take 625. But if I take it 47 square 74 square, so like that cases it is difficult na. Let's check to find out the squares when you are taking somewhat bigger numbers. Let us understand here, we'll discuss three methods here. So first method, in the method 1 we'll discuss the squares up to 99, and method 2, that's very important. In this method we'll discuss all the numbers, whatever the number if you want to find out, you can find all the squares. And method 3, this is also up to 100, that is 120 up to 125 you can take it here. But this method is third method we can do without pen and paper. So totally these are the three methods what you are going to learn here, but basically there are different type of methods to find out the squares. In that just I am discussing three methods. Let's go for the method 1. So what is the method 1 when you are finding out a square? So simple. To find out the method 1, simply we require only one thing here. You have to know the formula a plus b whole square very well. You have to know the formula a plus b whole square very well. So we know the formula already, a plus b whole square. Na? So what is the a plus b whole square formula? It's nothing but a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the basic formula. Now here also we'll follow same thing. How you take it this one? For example, if you want to take it, let it be 46 whole square. If you want to take it, so this is 4, this is 6. This one we'll consider as a, this one we consider as b. Now how you do it? Now first write square of the first number. 4 square is what? 16. Now write the square of the second number. 6 square is what? 36. Now after that we have to take it 2ab. A into b into 2 we have to write it. So 4 into 6, we can write this 2 into 2. So 4 into 6, 24, 24 into 2, 48. That 48 we have to add it for this case. How to add it? In the sense, by leaving the first digit, that 48 we have to add it for the rest of the number. When you add it, this will be 6, this will become 6, 3 plus 8, 11, and again this will become 11. I'll write 1 here, and 1 plus 1, 2. We'll get 2116. Now simply we'll write square of the first number and square of the second number, and after that we have to write a into b into 2, that we added for this case by leaving the first case. So simply the formula we can remember as a plus b whole square. We write a square, b square, and 2ab. And let's take one more example in the case of squares here. For example, let I want to take it 84 whole square. How we write it? 84 whole square. This is a, this is b. 8 square is nothing but what? 64. And 4 square is nothing but what? 16. So by leaving the first digit, I said a into b into 2 na. 8 into 4, 32. 32 into 2, 64. So this one will be 6, 1 plus 4 will be 5, and 4 plus 6 will be 10, and this will be 7, which you write as a 7056, which you write it as a 7056. Let's take one more. If you want to write 73 whole square, so how we write it? This is a, this is b. So 7 square is 49, and 3 square, actually for every case we writing two digits na. This one also 3 square we write as a 09 here, a square, b square. By leaving the last digit, I have to write a into b into 2 na. 7 into 3, 21, 21 into 2, 42. So 9 here, 2 here, 9 plus 4, 13, and 4 plus 1, 5, which you get as a 5329. So this is how you take simply square. So I said simply only remember one point, how to take it a plus b whole square. Clear? Simply how to take it a plus b whole square. If you take it a plus b whole square, I said, so you have to write a square of the number, b square of the number, a into b into 2. Clear? So simply that is how we find out the square. Let's take one more last example here. Let be I want to find out 92 whole square. First of all, 9 square 81, 2 square 04. So 9 square done, 2 square done. Next a into b into 2, 9 into 2, 18, 18 2 are 36. We have to leave it the first digit. 4 here, 6 here, 4 here, 8 here. So which you write as a 8464. So simply this is how you take it a square, and this method is only applicable to 99 here. Why? Because we are taking only a and b na, a square, b square, like that. So from 1 to 99 we can take all the cases in this method. Clear? So that's with the method 1 in the case of squares. Three methods are there. In the three methods, the first method already have discussed. The first method is nothing but what you have discussed, a plus b whole square method. Na? So what is that a plus b whole square? So we are writing a square, b square, and 2ab. That's the case we have done. Now let's take the method 2. So this is the unique method we can implement for any number here. But in order to take this one, first of all, you have to know all the squares at least up to 30. So if you learn at least 25, that is good. If you know 21 to 25, easily I can take 26 to 30 also. Most of the people will know up to 11 to 20 also. And let's take how to take this 21 to 30. So if you remember these cases, 25 into 25 is anyway I said how to take in the case of complementary pairs. If you remember this one, 21 is 441, 22 is 484, 23 is 529, 24 is nothing but 576, and 25 is 625. Let's check. 26 is 676, 27 is 729, 28 is 784, 29 is 841, and 30 is 900. So if you remember 21 to 24, it's easier. Look at 21 is 441. Let's check this case. 21 is 441. Na? So I'm saying that point in the sense, if you remember 21 to 24, 26 to 29 also easily we can take it. Look at this case. 21 is 441, 29 is 841. This is 484. This is nothing but 784. This is 529. This is 729. 576, 676. 576, 676 plus 100. 529, 729 plus 200. And this will be plus 300 plus 400. 24, 26, 23, 27, 22, 28, 21, 29. Basically 21, 29, 22, 28. These are complementary pairs. Na? 21, 441, 29, 841, 22, 484, 28, 784, 23, 529, 27, 729, 24, 576, 26, 676. That's why I said if you remember 21 to 24 easily, we can take 26 to 29 also. So as said in this case, if you remember these cases, easily we can go for the squares here. Now let's take in the method 2 how to take it. I said in the method 1 we have taken the squares only up to 99 cases. Na? So let's check if we in this method we can implement for somewhat bigger numbers. But before that, let's take some small numbers here. For example, if you want to find out 53 whole square, how you do this case? So in order to take 53 whole square, what you do is nothing but let's take the nearest round figure for 53 first of all. What is the nearest round figure for the 53? We can take it. That is nothing but 50. Na? Okay. What we are doing to get this 50, so I am subtracting the 3. Second case, what you do is nothing but add the 3. Just to understand, I am writing, but every time no need to write this minus 3 plus 3. To get 50, I am subtracting 3. Second case, we have to add the 3. So 53 plus 53 plus 3, 56. So you have to take the product of 50 into 56. Plus, we have to add the carrier, whatever the number we are adding or subtracting. Square of that number we have to add as a carrier. So simply 3 steps here. So first of all, whatever the number square we are finding out, take the nearest round figure for that. That means 53, the nearest round figure is we can take it as 50. And the next point, to get that round figure, if you subtract in the first case, second case we have to add it. To get that 53, so I'm subtracting 3. Second case we have to add the 3. Now whatever you are adding or subtracting, square of that number has to be take it as a carrier. That is 3 square. Now 50 into 56. That is also how we take it easily. So I said simple process here. Write directly 0. After that just 5 multiplication here. 5 into 6, 30. And 5 5 are 25 plus 3, 28. So 2800 and 3 square is 9. So which you write simply it is nothing but 2809. This is how you take it. So take the nearest round figure for that, and to get the nearest round figure, if you add it one case, second case we have to subtract. Let's take one more. For example, if you want to find out 64 whole square, how you do it? Take the nearest round figure for 64. What is that? 60. To get the 60, I have subtracted 4 here. Second case we have to add the 4. 64 plus 4, 68, and 4 square is the carrier. And multiplication I said directly 0. 6 8s are 48 and 6 multiplication 6 6s are 36 plus 4 40 4080 and 4 4s are 16, so which I can write as a 4096. That's it. It's very simple. As I said, only we have to write nearest round figure for that, and to get the round figure if we add it in the first case and second case we have to subtract. And taking that nearest round figure also, it's very important here. For example, if you want to find out 96 whole square, so what is the round figure I can take it? So 100 I can take it. To get the 100, how much I'm adding? 4. Second case, I have to subtract the 4. Let's understand, to get the 100 here, I'm adding the 4. Second case, we have to subtract the 4. Remember this case here. So to get the round figure, if you add it one case, second case, you have to subtract. To get the round figure, if you subtract in the first case, second case, we have to add it. Now the previous two examples I'm subtracting. Now in this case I'm adding. So 96 plus 4, it is 100. Now next case we have to take it 96 minus 4, 92, and we have to add the carrier 4 square. So 92 into 100 will be very easy, 9200, and 4 square is nothing but 16, which I can write simply 9216. Simply which I can write 9216. For example, let's understand one more point. I said taking round figure is very important. Now 92 whole square if I take it. So the nearest round figure what I can take it, let's check. Might be we can take it 90 for example. If you take 90, to get the 90 actually I have subtracted the 2. Second case I have to add the 2. 92 plus 2, 94, and we have to add it 2 differences in a 2 square. Might be if you take 100 as a round figure, understand that case also. If you take 100 as a round figure, look at to get the 100 how much we are adding, 8 we are adding, and second case we have to subtract 8, 92 minus 8 which will be 84, and the carrier we have to get is what, 8 squared. Now the point maybe we'll get it out, so which one I have to take it as a round figure? Can I take 90? Basically that is the nearest, but here I'm taking with the 100, but which one I can take it? Look at here, whatever you take it, whether you done this one, whether you done this one, both the cases it will be same answer. 84 plus 100, 84 into 100, 8400 plus 64, we will get 8464. So if you solve this one also, it will be 90 into 94, it is also will get same way, 8460 will get if you multiply that, plus 4 you will get again 8464. So whether you done this case, whether you done this case, both will be same here, but which one is easy? For example, if you take it rather than taking 90, 100 is very easy, na? So like this. So however you take round figure, it's not an issue, but which one is easy for calculation, that one you have to take it as a round figure. For example, if I take 89, so I can take 100 round figure, I can take 90 round figure, but if I take 100 round figure, the calculation is very easy for me, na? So like that. So which we are taking round figure, that's very important. Clear? And I said this method is when you go for somewhat higher numbers, I said, na, let's go for somewhat higher numbers, how we take these cases. Higher numbers in the sense, let's take for example, if you want to take it 206 whole square, how we take it? So I said simply 206. 206 nearest round figure is what? 200. Okay, to get the 200, how much I have subtracted? 6. Second case, how much I have added? 6. 206 plus 6, 212. And the carrier we are taking is 6. So 6 square I have added. Now multiplication said double zero directly we can write it. So we have to multiplication with the 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. And 2 twos are 4. 424. And carrier I got 6 square, which you write as a 424 36. I can read it, huh? So this case how you take it. So when you're taking, let's say still somewhat bigger number. For example, I want to find out 389 whole square. 389 whole square means what is the nearest round figure I can take it? 400 I get, na? Look at, to get the 400 I have added 11 here. Second case I have to subtract the 11, na? So if I subtract the 11, 389 minus 11, 389 minus 11 is nothing but 378. Our adding or subtracting number is 11, so I have to write 11 square. And double zero common, simply we have to multiply with the 4. 4 eights are 32, I can write it. Next 4 sevens are 28 plus 3, 31, I can write it. Last one, 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, I can write it. And 11 square is the carrier, which is 121. Clear? So 4 we are multiplying, 4 into 378 here. So I said 4 into 0, sorry, 4 into 8, like that. If you add it, 15, 12, double 0 will get plus 121 if I add it. So which I get 151, 200 plus 121, which you get 151, 321. Clear? So this is how you take the squares. Okay. Let's take. I'll take some more examples in this case. In the method 2. I said still if you take bigger numbers. For example, if you want to take it, let 2018 whole square. What is the nearest round figure I can take it? 2000. Na? Okay, to get the 2000, how much I have subtracted? 18. Second case, how much I have added? 18. 18 plus 18, 36. And the carrier we are taking is 18, so which you write as a 18 square. Let's take the multiplication part. Zeros directly I can write it, multiplication with the 2. So 36 into 2 is 72. 22 into 2 is 40. 4072 and 18 square I can write as a 324. So the final answer what you get, 4072324. So like that we can take any case. So when you're taking this one. So totally this is with the method 2 here. So in the case of method 2, let's take any round figure you want it. So for that cases, which one is easy for calculation? Clear now? So to get that round figure, if you add it in the first case, second case we have to subtract. Clear? To get that round figure in the first case, if we subtract, second case we have to add it. So that differences we can take it up to 25 or 30 as said. So that's why we have learned up to 30 squares. For example,
let me, I have 479 whole square. So actually I can take 480 as a round figure, but if I take 500, actually for me calculation is enough. So 500 means difference I'll get 21. But to get the here, I'm adding 21. Second case, how to subtract 21. If we subtract 21, I'll get how much? 458. And the number we have to add it 21 square. That's why you have an idea on all these things. So double zero I write it here. So 5 into 458. So 5 eights are 40. 5 fives are 25 plus 4 29. Clear. And 5 fours are 20 plus 2 22, which is 22900. Clear. And for this case I have to add it carrier na 21 21s are how much? 441. This is we have to add it 229 and we have to add it 441. This answer. Clear. So simply that is a method 2. So I said only 3 steps here. So whatever the square, if you want to find out, take the nearest round figure for that. That is a step 1. And step 2 is nothing but, so to get the round figure, if you add it in the first case, second case we have to subtract. So you have to take the product of the two numbers. And what third step, whatever the carrier we have to take, it is nothing but addition and subtraction, whatever is done, square of that number we have to add it as a carrier. That is the third step what you have to take it there. Is that clear? So simply that is the method 2 in the case of squares.